Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go the information. The scatter plot below shows the amount of electric energy generated in millions of megawatt hours by nuclear sources over a 10-year period. Of the following equations, which best models the data in the scatter plot? Okay, now the first step, what we can do is we can draw a smooth curve in the given through the given scatter plots. So, which has to be closer to almost all the points in the given scatter plot. Okay, let me do it. Okay, I have drawn a smooth curve. So when I draw a smooth curve through the points on the scatter plot, I am getting a parabola which opens down. Okay, now let's consider a quadratic function because only for a quadratic function, we'll be getting a parabola as the graph. Okay, so let's consider a quadratic function that is y equals to ax square positive bx positive c. Okay, here a is called the leading coefficient, which is a coefficient of x square. If the value of a is positive, that is greater than 0, then the parabola must open up. In case the value of a is less than 0, that is negative, then the parabola opens down. Okay, and also the c represents a y-intercept, that is the value on the y-axis at where the parabola intersects. Okay, here our parabola opens down, so the leading coefficient, I mean the coefficient of x square has to be negative. So in option A and option C, the coefficient of x square is positive. So it is not possible, so we can reject option A and option C. In both option B and option D, the leading coefficient, I mean the coefficient of x square is negative. Okay, so which option is correct, option B or option D? Okay, now let's consider the y-intercept on the graph over here. So the parabola I've drawn intersects the y-axis between 740 and 760. So it is a positive value. So it's about 745.73 because all the four options we find the y-intercept 745.73. Okay, let's assume the parabola intersects the y-axis, the value is 745.73 and also it is a positive value. But when I look at option B, the y-intercept is negative, so that's not possible. So we can reject option B also. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D, because the leading coefficient, I mean the coefficient of x square is negative, so the parabola opens down, and also the y-intercept is positive. So in our graph, the parabola intersects y-axis at a positive value between 740 and 760.